Okay, we're going to talk about bee bread here now. What is bee bread?
Bee bread, the superfood of all superfoods. Many people are unaware of this thick and tangy material created by the bees, but also how it can greatly impact your personal health and your way of life.
This is the food that the baby bees eat when they're born. And what we're doing is we're trying to duplicate what the bees are doing in the hive.
Now this stuff is packed with nutrients and has an enormous list of health benefits. It helps with your allergies, energy, physical well-being, appetite, sleep regulation, and digestion. And this is all because of the amino acids. Not only do these organic compounds make up 75% of the body, but they are also involved in almost every bodily function. You can enjoy it by the spoonful, and it's all 100% natural.
There's only 2 ingredients in bee bread: pure blended pollen and pure clover honey. They collect the pollen and they bring it back to their hive and they pack it in their little cells. They add some honey to it and they add some of their own enzymes to it, and it ferments.
And this fermentation process through bee bread enormously affects the way that we digest the value of pollen.
When we consume pollen, our bodies can only digest about 18 to 19% of the value of the pollen. When it goes through the fermentation stage and making it into bee bread, what it does is it breaks down the pollen that our bodies now can absorb about 80 to 90% of the value of the pollen when it's made in the form of bee bread.
And to maximize the amount of nutrients in the bee bread, pollen is harvested from many different sources and times of the year, ranging from May to September.
Honey and the pollen have a lot of amino acids in it, and it'll change depending on the plant source. With our pollen, we blend it all together because some pollens are more nutritional than other pollens. From a wide variety of plants, it gives you a wide range of amino acids in different levels. So that way, when we get the blend of the pollen for the entire growing season, to me, you got the best of all worlds. Here's the natural bee bread that the bees made, and here's the bee bread that we made, which tastes exactly the same.